how to bypass Snapchat suspicious login. So if you want to bypass Snapchat suspicious login, then what you need to do is you just need simply go and reset your device. So you just need simply open up your settings. If you're using your Android or if you're using your iPhone, you just need simply go with your settings. Under your settings, you need to go with search and search for reset. After searching for reset, you need to go with reset Wi-Fi, mobile network, and Bluetooth. And here you need to go with reset settings, which is on the bottom. And you can also go and factory reset your device. But before that, make sure that you turn on your backups. And after factory resetting your device or after resetting your Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth networks, you will be able to bypass your Snapchat suspicious login. Or the other way is you just need simply tap and hold on to your Snapchat, go with the app info. Under your app info, you need to go with manage space and then tap on delete and delete your app data, or just simply go with storage. And on your storage, you will have your clear cache option. You just need to simply go and clear your cache. And after clearing your cache, you need to just go and install a VPN. If you already have a VPN, you need to connect it to a VPN. And after connecting to a VPN, just go and open up your Snapchat and create an account, log into your account. That's how you can bypass your Snapchat suspicious login. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.